In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Opera browser. So let's get started. Just Google Opera. We'll be having the official link. Click it, and here we are having the download option. Select that. The download will be getting started. The setup file is around 3 MB in size, so will be downloaded in a flash. So just open it now. So we'll be getting the Opera setup like this. Here make sure that you're unchecking this. I don't want Opera to start every time, and go to options. Here we are having many things to change. First is the language, then the user. This is going to be the installation path. If you want to change it, you can change it to some other location. I don't want to send all these, so you can simply customize it. Click on accept and install. Select accept. This will take some time to download and install. Just be patient. Once it is done, just click on get started. And if this is the first time installing Opera, you can just say I'm new here, and I'll just go with this. Select the theme, and we can just click on next, and the wallpaper next, and I'll just click on next. The favorite social apps, you can select any of these. It will be like a shortcut. Next, and this is fine. I'll just click on done. Yep. Now if we click on start browsing, that's it. We can search and use our Opera browser. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.